Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the gallery feature of the WordPress software. So what I've got here is just a standard page where I've actually inserted a gallery and another gallery after some more text. So what it allows you to do is have images nicely alongside one another, just to kind of display some images that you've got. It might be kind of showing off three services or three products nicely in line within a page or a post. So it's just another way that you can display images rather than having just a single image or trying to put in lots of images in and make them fit on one line. Creating galleries is a nice way to kind of keep it clean and keep it really nicely laid out really, and kind of nice for your visitors to look at. So what we're going to do is go ahead and create this exact same page. So what we're going to do is, this is the actual page and this is what we're going to work towards, but for now I'll open all that and delete it. So what we first did, we just added some text in at the top. Next, just like when we're adding an image to the page, we went to add media. And this time, instead of clicking on one image and clicking insert into page, we're going up to the top left here where it says create gallery and click that. And now what you can do is upload files and use images from your media library to select how many images you want in your gallery. So for this one I'm going to have 3, and you'll notice that they've all got ticks, and when I hover over them, it's got a minus so that then I can deselect them. Clicking them selects them. So any that have got the ticks will be included in your gallery. So what we can then do, once we're happy with the images we have, we then click create a new gallery. You'll then be taken to this page where you can add some captions. This could be useful information or just a bit of a description about the image. Anything that you want to put there you can choose to do. So now the next final options are whether you want it to link to an attachment page, which is essentially the page that the image is on, whether you want it to open up a big file to actually show the full image, or whether you want it to show neither of these. Generally I always go for none because I want to keep people on the page, and usually you should make sure all the information that people would need is within that page or around that text. The final options are how many columns you want to actually have on your gallery. Generally you're probably going to want between 2 and 4. For this one, as there's 3, we'll go for 3. And again, you can choose to have them in a random order or just keep them as they are. You can also use this reverse order button to just reverse them if you choose to do so. So once I'm happy with all my settings, the order, I can then click insert gallery. And you'll notice from the earlier on in the video, there's this bit of kind of, again, looks like an image, but it's slightly different. That's basically showing you where the gallery is. So now what we can do is put some more text in, and we'll have a preview of how that page looks. So there we go, we've got the text, the nice gallery with the captions over the top, and then some more text. So again, just a nice way to insert that into a page. I'll just go through that once more just to show you how easy it is to do. So we go to add media, create gallery, choose the images you want included, create new gallery, choose the settings we want. This time I'll go for 2 columns, and we'll go for random order, and insert gallery. And there we go, it's inserted right into the page. Same process whether you're on a post or a page, just a nice way to display some more of your images that you've got. So now if we click preview, we can now see there's the 3, then there's the 2. So again, just quite a nice simple way to show your images on your page. Often if you're kind of more an image-based product or service, it could be quite nice to do 3 rows of 3, a 3x3 grid to show off the different kind of services that you do. It's something that I'm actually looking at to do with web design, so I can have 9 different websites all in a very short space of the page, and just kind of gives people an idea of what I can do. So that's an overview of how to use the gallery feature. There are lots of plugins that do galleries, but they're a bit more advanced, and if you get to know how this gallery works and start to use the basics of images and galleries, you'll be able to move on to those at a later date if you choose to.